Craig Hope at St James Park. They were the championship's best last season, but Newcastle and Brighton might just have served up one of the worst Premier League matches of 2017. It was not even one for the tactical purist, those whose analysis is better suited to the intricacies of a chess match. No, this was more like snakes and ladders, little less infuriating and ending up right back where you started. But this was a performance which will leave supporters looking down, not up. Newcastle are in trouble, but that was as close as the home side came during an unimaginative first half in which Brighton were the better side. At least Newcastle emerged with a little more purpose after halftime, and only stopper Ryan stood between them and the lead before the hour mark. On 58 minutes, Ryan thwarted Gale, flashing a header on goal from Christian Atsu's center, as